Good morning, it's Friday and it's weigh-in day. Right, let me turn you around. Okay. There we go, hold on a minute. Go 18, 4.5. 2 pound off. 2 pound off. Get in there.
Battle Health with Jackie Khan.
Good morning. It's ridiculous o'clock. It is 4 a.m. in the morning. I've not been able to sleep. My restless leg has been keeping me awake all night. I went to bed at 12 and I've just not been able to sleep. I've been up and down. And the last time I got into bed, I just disturbed Richard and I thought, oh, that's not a good thing. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go and make a quiche, as you do at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I've just made a quiche and made myself a cup of tea. I'm starting to feel a bit sleepy now, so I'm just gonna wait till the quiche is done and then I'm gonna try and go back to bed. But my legs feel a little bit settled now. But here's the recipe for the quiche. Enjoy. It's Saturday and we have decided to pop to the seaside and take a little bit of a packed lunch with us. So I really fancied a salad with boiled eggs and a little bit of bacon over the top of my salad. I had that a couple of weeks ago when we went out for a walk, and a little bit of vinaigrette. So I'm going to make the vinaigrette. I am no cook, I am no chef, but I'm more or less a beginner and I like to chuck things in. I'm not keen on weighing things and whatever, but I just sort of taste it as I go along. So if you want to follow my recipe, fabulous. If not, don't worry, I'll just let you know how it tastes at the end. So here we go. A little jar like this, it's a little one, and it has a little lid just for giving it a bit of a thing. You can use these masonry jars, and what I'm going to do is some balsamic vinegar. Bung that in there. Yeah, that'll be about enough. I'm just making it just for today. I'm not keeping it for next week or anything like that, just for today. A little bit of mustard. There we go. A bit of mustard, chuck that in there. Get a bit of sweetener. Squeeze that down like that. Bit of salt, pepper. I'm using mixed peppercorns and a bit of Malaysian salt. There we go, doesn't matter what salt you use, I don't suppose. Put it in there. Put the lid on. Give it a good old shake. Put the lid comes in. And then get a fresh spoon. That's a little bit vinegar, really. I think I need to adjust that somehow, not sure what. Give me a bit more of a a lot better. Oh, that's got a nice kick to it. More of a mustardy kick. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in it just to take the edge of the vinegar away because it was quite white, so just a little bit. Extra virgin oil, just a tiny bit like that. Give it a shake. I think this time it's probably going to do it. But there's rather a lot here for just for the two of us, so it's just a, you know, I might be able to keep it for during the week. Oh, much better, much better. That is lovely. If you like strong flavours, paka. Now we're going to be having a little bit of bacon with our salad, so I'm going to try and get it nice and crispy so that it just sits on top of the salad. So I'm going to get that cooking. Ooh. Might put a little bit of mushroom in there as well. Just leave that to cook. I haven't put any oil in here. It's literally just all the little bits of bacon and juices. I get a stack on there. That's what makes it so tasty as well. A little bit of mushrooms in there. So I'm just going to keep going around like that so it's nice and crispy. You can hear it sizzling away. And I shall wait until it's cool. Add it to the salad which I've got there. We've both got eggs. I like this kind of salad, mixed leaf. Richard doesn't mind that kind of salad. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on there. I've got my vinaigrette in there so we can both share it. Richard likes some onion, dried onion topped on his, but rather than put it on now because that will just go soft, we're taking it as extra. I might have a sprinkling too. So the salad is almost ready. I've done the bacon and the mushrooms. They are now cooling down nicely. I've decided to have feta cheese. I found some feta cheese which I haven't used up. It's still in date. Oh my God, I love feta cheese on my salad. So I've sprinkled a little bit around. So let me just turn you around. There we go, some feta cheese. Yum, 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 yum. I cannot wait. It seems a bit strange having a salad on a cold day at the beach, but believe me, when you've been walking along the beach for a good couple of hours at quite a speed, when you come back, you're soaking wet with sweat. I hope you're having a breakfast and enjoying that. Can you get that image in your head? Sweat. Yes. So you feel like a salad afterwards. It's filming.
Oh, you can edit.
So, this jacket has never fitted round my waist before. Look at this.
Anticipation.
Look at this. Oh shit, I've got it stuck. Look at that. It fits. It's a little bit snug, but it fits.
You tell me you don't need a new one?
No, I need a new one.
Oh, you don't need a new one. That fits. Not if that fits.
Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh. We have caps on. We are going to the seaside again. I'm in my little studio. I'm doing a song with my niece today. It's a duet, and we've done one before, and I absolutely love doing it with her. And so I'm sorting it out now as we speak. As we speak. Talk properly. I've got my teeth in. Richard has just brought me a lovely roll with bacon and egg and a little bit of tomato sauce. Look at that, it's in a roll. No butter on there, just a little tiny bit of tomato sauce. Now I have to watch having tomato sauce because it tends to give me a little bit of a sweet craving. So if I do get a sweet craving, I'll know why. So I just have to be a bit careful. But I'm going to enjoy every mouthful. I'm not having a very successful day today. I got up early this morning and all was well. And I had plans to finish a video, sing on a video with my niece. And that worked out really well. But trying to put it together, I couldn't remember the app that I used last time to put two videos together. I just couldn't do it, and I got myself into a bit of a state, and I thought, I'll leave it, just leave it, I'll come back to it later. So then I tried to do something on my YouTube channel, my banners, getting myself into a right state because I couldn't work that either. Then I tried to change my room around and I couldn't do that either. And so it's been a very unsuccessful day. I feel like crying at the moment because I hate feeling useless. This is not great. And at this moment in time, I could go and eat everything in the fridge, and I'm not going to. You know, I could sit there for ages and I read something through and through, and I think, yeah, I understand that, but I can't. I find it really difficult when I can't do something. Can't get my head around it. It frustrates the living daylights out of me. It's something so bloody simple and I can't do it. So after my little meltdown, I'm still no further forward. I feel very anxiety in my chest at the moment because things don't seem to be going my way. Technology is not my thing, and when I get stuck on something, I try and do it the best I can, and before I know it, the hours have just gone by just like that. And I've this morning I sat down in the studio to do some work, and the next thing I know it's 3 o'clock, and then the next thing I know it's now 4:30, and so I thought I've just got to leave it. I'm not sure how this video is going to be by the time I put it all together, but we'll see. But I'm now cooking, so let me turn you around and tell you what we're having. First of all, we have some steamed vegetables going on there. We have broccoli and we have carrots. Excuse the mess in my kitchen. We have some onions going on there. We have some boiled potatoes going on there. We have some swede going on there. And we also have, I can pull it out, we have pork chops. Pork chops. And I'm going to have gravy with it as well. They're quite thin pork chops. Take all the fat off, and I'm going to have 2 because I'm quite hungry. Had a slice of toast earlier. I could have eaten the whole fridge, everything in the fridge if I wanted to. I had to be very careful because of the way I was feeling, really frustrated with myself, feeling angry with myself. And so I feel like tomorrow's another day, but I don't want to waste it. Do you know what I mean? I'm in a bit of a panic because I want things sorted. We'll try. So I've really had a great weekend, apart from a little meltdown today, but I'm over that now. That's all sorted. It will get sorted eventually. I'll probably turn the PC on tomorrow and it'll all fall into place as it does. So I'm planning on making a sausage casserole this week, and I'm going to keep on the straight and narrow. I'm not eating in between meals. I'm smaller portions. I'm eating slower. If you want to know any questions, please ask. And I'm really chuffed with the £2 that I've lost this week. Thank you so much for supporting me. It's absolutely amazing. I really, really appreciate it. More than you will ever know. And if I can help one person on their journey, I'll be made up. I'll see you again on Friday. Yes.
I love you. I love you, baby.